absolutely blessed to be where we are right now. As you can see, beautiful sunset behind us. We're very lucky with the weather. However, the area that I want to share with you is an area which is superb for four-wheel drive owners, overlanders, and enthusiasts as well. So it's an area basically tucked in the rolling hills of Wales, basically right on the border. We're a stone's throw away from a small town called Pristine, and the area's name is Nash Wild Camping. Fantastic place, super serene, very peaceful. And the great thing about this area is you have to be self-sufficient. This is the prerequisites of coming to camp at this site. The other bonus is that you are led in by one of the owners, again, who are incredibly warm and welcoming and very helpful. And if you need help or if you need anything during your stay here, again, they open their arms and they're very welcome in that way. Overall, for the actual areas that you camp in, again, completely secluded from any other campers. I think the closest you'll get to another camper is, a few hundred meters. You're surrounded by beautiful thick woodland. You can opt for an open area if you so wish. But overall, it's a brilliant place. If you're getting into overlanding and you want to test your rig out and you want to kind of see how long your battery power will last over a set period of a few days, or whatever kind of test you might have for your rooftop tent or your awning, this is a fantastic place to come and do that. Another bonus about this place, it is right on the border of Wales, so we are not very far from the stunning reservoirs that are in the heart of Wales, and along with one of the most iconic tracks in the UK, which is Strata, Florida. So if you're planning a trip through Wales, this is a great stopping point before you head deeper into Wales and go and take on the beautiful tracks and the mountainous areas in Wales. So I'll let you guys enjoy the scenery as much as we've enjoyed our stay here. We've been here for 2 days and we've been blessed with fantastic weather. We've even got a nice suntan today, which is great. Another key thing about this area, there's a couple entry points to the farm itself. You can come down sort of the country lane and basically down the dirt track just behind me, and then they'll take you to the farmhouse. If you enter from a different point, it'll actually take you down a fjord and then you'll go to the farmland. So you basically start your stay with a river crossing, which is quite nice as well. And again, fantastic. Thank you ever so much to the owners of the campsite. It's been fantastic. We've really enjoyed our stay, and hopefully you guys will take the step and come and visit them and enjoy your stay here. Enjoy.
And I'm flying a drone.